everybody. Happy Friday. I am Eartha Baca, and welcome to the Beauty Graffiti live show. So excited, you guys. This is episode 9, and I want to say straight off the bat, I saw Rihanna say this. I did not say this. I did not say she has a double chin. I would never say that, okay? She said it herself, and she showed a really fun makeup trick that she likes to use and that other makeup artists have used on her. So she was actually on a YouTube doing her makeup, and she was doing this contour part, and she said, and this is how I hide my double chin. So I'm not making this up, okay? I would never say that. I love Rihanna, and I know you do too, so she's our girl. Okay, so let's just jump right in. I'm a certified makeup artist, so I have a lot of fun showing and sharing makeup tips and tricks. And there's no such thing in makeup as you know it all or you've done it all, or there's no like really true right or wrong way to have fun with your makeup. But there are some basics. There's some basic techniques that once you have these basics down, everything you do beyond it, on top of it, with it, will be amazing. So on these Beauty Graffiti shows, I love to just show you some tips and tricks that are really basic. Sometimes I'll go into some more in-depth stuff, like maybe a particular eye look, but this is a basic, and this is Rihanna's how to hide a double chin with your contour trick. Okay, it's easy, it's simple, and it's fast. So I've done all my makeup on my face except for contour. I don't have bronzer, I don't have blush, I don't have highlight. I just have used my foundation. So I'm gonna grab a bronzer. Here's the trick. And you're gonna wanna use a blush brush. Okay, so a blush brush is angled and it's fluffy and it's curved. This is very different from a flat edge brush that is angled and cut really straight. So you want that edge. This is a fluffy, this is a blush brush, okay? So I'm actually gonna use 2 of them because I'm gonna use one for blush, one for bronzer. And here's what we're gonna do. This is Beachfront Bronzer. I love this bronzer, especially because it's double-sided. You can see I use this dark side a whole lot for this contour and this trick. And then I use the lighter side to give more of a curved look when I'm sculpting my cheeks. So what you want to do is grab the edge of that fluffy brush and really get into the dark side. So I'm going to go and put a lot on that brush. I'm going to tap off just a little bit of the excess. We don't want to tap it off all crazy. But what I'm going to do now is just carve out where I want to see a cheekbone. Okay, so we're going to start there. And this is going to instantly slim your face, as well as we're going to show how to do the neck thing, but it all has to connect. Okay, so we're going to start with going from our ear, top of our ear, along our cheekbone, and we stop our contour right where our pupil is, okay, or a little bit shy of that maybe, but you never want to go farther than your pupil. So let's just hold the angle a little bit up so that the rounded part of my brush is actually going up. And I'm just going to get in there. I'm going to go to the ear and around the jawline just to start. Okay, let's get more. Thank you for being here, you guys. Give a shout where you're from. I would love to see where you guys are from. That is super exciting. I'm gonna go around the forehead area in what's called 3E. Okay, get the temple, the here, and the jawline. 3 and E. So it's 3 and E. That's the concept, and then we do the cheekbone here. Okay. So I think what I'll do is one side so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so you can see the difference here. It's just looking flat. And over here, let me move this light a little bit back. Over here, this side is getting a little bit more contour. So what I'm going to do now is grab the shimmery side and the flat of the brush, tap off that excess, and I'm going to go right above where I just did the darker color, and I'm starting light. I'm just kind of brushing it. Very easy. Okay. So here is where the magic happens. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to go do my whole face to show you how fast it is, actually. It's just super fast. Okay. Super fast. You definitely want to get your jawline. A lot of people stop here. And they forget or don't know to do the jawline and around the hairline and the temple. But that's all part of your contouring. You're giving your face shape and dimension. when you go into your 3E. Okay, so we're going to hit that neck in just a second here, but we definitely want it to be all cohesive. So let me grab my shimmery side. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. Let me know if you have any weekend plans. Shout it out. What are you going to do this weekend? I have plans to take my little 5-year-old to a really fun event the fire station and the police station do every year. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is grab the tip of that brush. I really got into the dark side here. Okay, so now here's the neck part. We're going to go under the chin just slightly and go right under the neck. And here's the trick. You don't want to just plop it all on there. You actually want to go like in a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to create this shadow first. And then I'm going to go into a triangle. And this, getting that shadow under there, automatically just thins out this area. It creates a shadow and it thins it out. I love to use bronzer for this trick because it's powder and it blends really well. You can absolutely use a BB cream. You can use a darker color foundation, but you'll need to use blending buds and you'll need to set it. Okay, so when I did primer, I also put primer on my face. I also put it on my neck because you want to take your foundation onto your neck a little bit, and then anything you use above it is going to stay all day. You don't want to do this without primer. If you don't, you're going to have a tendency to get makeup creases. That's not the look you're going for. So let's just get in there a little bit more. Now I've just created the shadow around my jawline and on my neck, and it's not too harsh. I don't look like I just have like a big makeup spot underneath my face. Okay, that wouldn't be good. So let's just finish this look with, I'm going to polish it off with a metallic blush right to find the apples of your cheeks. And then blush it on just slightly. Okay, very good, very good. So fast, so easy. And of course, we all love to finish with highlighter. Yes, yes, yes. And that is how you slim your face down. That's the Rihanna trick that she showed on herself when she did her makeup. And the way she did that bronzer in a triangle shape under her neck. And you see how it's not even harsh, but it totally, totally slims your face. Okay, done. Simple as that. So you're ready to go. You're ready for your day. And there you go. You've just slimmed and contoured your face. You look awesome and beautiful. And don't forget to set that with some setting spray. So go X and a T, X and a T, and just let it chill. I love the setting spray. It smells so good. This is Behold setting spray. I love, love, love it. And it's so big. I mean, look how big this is. It's giant. It's like, wow. I haven't even gotten halfway through the bottle. So that's that, you guys. That is the Rihanna double chin trick that she showed on her own makeup when she did her own makeup tips and tricks, and she just did her own face. And I loved that trick, and especially the way she said, go in a triangle, okay? Because you don't want to just have a dark neck out of the clear blue nowhere. It's got to make sense, okay? And it's got to make sense to connect to your contour on your face. Slim down here, and it's all nice and blended, and I created the shadow. The shadow makes you look like you just lost 5 pounds. Holla. So thank you guys for jumping on and joining me. I really appreciate you. Feel free, if you're on Facebook, to share this video on your wall. If you think someone else would really dig that trick, like, yeah, hey, I saw this thing. It's pretty cool. So it's on my wall now, you guys. You know, okay, right? Definitely give me a like, hearts, love, leave a comment. Let me know you stopped by. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up if you found value in this video and you liked it. Also, if you hit subscribe, you'll see the uploads first. You'll get that little notification. It's so cool. There's a new upload. Come check it out. So again, each week I'm going to do something new, fun, tips, tricks, a few basics. So that little key thing to know, like the triangle shape, totally key thing to know. Okay, guys, take care. Have an amazing day. Rock your beauty, Graffiti. Your beauty is you, being 100% you, absolutely free to be you in every single way. And Graffiti says, I am here. What? You You guys have a great day. Bye, and I will see you next time.